Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to use ChatGPT or any other AI model without needing the cloud, without API keys, and with full privacy, this is your video. Today we're diving into Ollama, an amazing tool that lets you run large language models like Llama 3, Mistral, and code Llama right on your own machine. That's right, 100% local. No internet required after install. I'll walk you through what Ollama is, how to install it, what models you can run, and some amazing use cases you probably haven't thought of. So what exactly is Ollama? Ollama is a lightweight platform that lets you run large language models on your own computer with a single command. Think of it like Docker, but for AI models. Why does this matter? Two big reasons. Privacy, your data stays on your machine. Freedom, no API limits, no monthly fees. Whether you're a developer building with AI or just a curious explorer, Ollama makes local AI accessible. Let's get started. Head over to ollama.com and download the installer for your platform, Windows, macOS, or Linux. Install it like any regular app. The download and the install speed may vary according to your computer's configuration and internet speed. Now that the installer is downloaded, let's click on it and begin the installation process. The installation may take its own time according to your computer's configuration and background tasks running. We need to download a few large language models to run locally using the Ollama platform. So it is better to keep around 10 gigabytes memory on your hard drive free while you are doing this. After the installation completes, just head to a terminal window or command prompt. The default installation of Ollama is a global and registered as an executable command in your computer. Just run Ollama as a command and you should see the guide like this. Now that Ollama is running in your computer, we need some large language models to run. For this, we need to download an LLM. Now this should give you an idea that how powerful Ollama as a tool is. You can download multiple models and switch between them according to your need, and all of this happening locally in your computer. While there are many models to choose from, today we are going to use Llama 3 model, which is a decent model to run in local for basic use cases like reasoning and thinking. The choice of model will also depend on your hardware configuration and available storage and memory. To install any model, you just need to know its name, and all you have to run is a command that goes like Ollama run model name. Llama 3 in our case. This command downloads the model into Ollama platform on our local computer. Let us look at some other popular models we can use with Ollama. Head to the Models section on the Ollama website. Here you can see a variety of models available free of cost to be downloaded, which can serve different purposes and use cases. DeepSeek is one of such powerful models that you can run in local. As you can see here in the documentation, the model comes in many flavors of the training data size and the overall model size. You can choose what fits your system configuration. Models are further classified by their general purpose and specialty. The model Llama 3 we choose is specialized for reasoning. There are models which help you code like Quencoder. So after this video, feel free to try out these models and share your learnings in the comments. Which model did you like the most? Now that we have Ollama running in local, we have the model downloaded in the local system. We should be good to start interacting with the model and try it out. There are many ways in which we can query a locally running model using Ollama. One of that is via command prompt or terminal. Let's head straight to it and run the command Ollama run Llama 3. In this example, we are asking the model a simple training-based question. What is a black hole? Let's see what the model replies. Amazing! The reply is not just one-liner. It is quite in detail. Now let's test the model's reasoning and thinking capability. We are asking the model to choose the best option among some variations of products. The data has the rating, price, and shipping delays of the products. We are asking the model to choose the best product for us provided we need the cheapest, best ranked, and fastest available product. The model took time, analyzed all the 3 criteria, compared each product against all the criteria, and finally selected the best one for us, which is reasonably the right answer as well. Another way to query a model locally using Ollama platform is through the REST APIs. Ollama server by default runs on 11,434 port number on the localhost. To query the Ollama platform, we can use the REST endpoint called APIs generate on the localhost. While querying, we need to provide the model name, as you can work with many models at the same time, the prompt, and an optional streaming parameter. With these parameters, we can make a post call to Ollama server to process the prompt with the chosen model and respond. Now, since we choose not to stream the response, we will have to wait for whole response to be generated in one shot and then sent back to the client. Usually, in real-time chat application, we would want to stream the responses. Here we got the response along with some metadata of how the response was generated. Using these concepts we learned today, we can query Ollama locally with a model of our choice and use it for many use cases like reasoning, code completion, code assistance, retrieval augmented generation, etc. Now that we know we have an API endpoint, which can stream responses, the next thing to build from here would be a chat application that can front-end the API like any generative AI chat application does, like chatgpt or Claude. We are going to build that in our next videos. We will also learn how to programmatically run models in local via Python code. So do watch out for next videos and subscribe so that you get notified.